Hello there, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Magnifier app on your iPhone. So go to the top where the power bar is and swipe down, and that's going to give you the access to the control center. And hit the plus sign in the top left-hand corner. So hit plus, and then go to the bottom where it says Add a Control, and click on Add a Control. And then look in the right-hand column, it says, the second one down says Magnifier. Go ahead and click on Magnifier. So now you've added that to your control panel. So now click anywhere where there isn't an icon. And then now you have the Magnifier app on your control panel. Go ahead and click on it and open that up. And now you can do things like, here, we'll read some text. Find some text that's like relatively small, and you can slide the magnifier up and you can get in really close, and you can actually like zoom in and capture that, and go to the reader, and it'll actually like read what was on the page, which is pretty cool. Let's see here. Change the background. Okay, if we go to, so we hit close. If you go to settings, you can actually have these different other controls added to that. So you can say like add brightness. Let's look at like filters, focus lock. All right, so hit like that. So let's say you want to do the contrast. Oops, that's not what I want. So there's the focus, settings, brightness, remove, done. So like brightness, for instance. So you want to turn up the brightness so you can see better. Do that. Go back to settings, take brightness out. We'll try contrast and see what that does. So here's contrast, another way to kind of like clarify what you're seeing there. Go back to settings, remove that. Let's try filters. Done, hit done. Oh, neat. So you can give a little contrast that way by putting different colors in the background. Oh, it even does reverse. Pretty cool. Black on white, white on black. Excellent. So as you can see, this is a very useful tool for, let's see, with flashlights. So you can actually like, my flashlight on the back of my phone now is illuminating what I'm looking at and giving it another way to let me look at it in a better way. All right, so that's basically what you can do with this. Hope you guys have a great day out there. And if you have any other questions about the magnifier or any other settings on the iPhone, let me know and I'll do another video about it. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.